Hello, my name is Diane. I just wanted to share with you how to take this zip file and make this zip file a downloadable link. So here's how you do it. You go to your WordPress dashboard, and then you go to the media file, and we're going to add new. So you click here in the add new, and then go down to select files. And I'm going to the desktop because this is where I have the Lorem Ipsum test PDF, and we made it in the last video. We made it a zip file, and if you didn't see that, go back to the last one. And so we're going to click on that, and we're going to choose it. Okay, so now it is uploaded, and I'm going to go to library, and it shows right here in the library. So I'm going to double click on that. And what you want is you want this URL. So click over here in the URL box. I would do Control A to select it all and Control C to copy it. Now I'm going to show you in the text editor. What I'm going to do is type, I think I'll make it bigger first. I'll type click here. So once I type click here, I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to go up to the text editor, to the edit menu. Sorry, I can't see this. And you go down to add link. And when we say add link, I'm going to paste the URL there, and we'll say okay. Now let's try it. So when it turns into a hand, you can click it, and it downloads. And once it downloads, it comes up. So there you have it. It's actually very easy steps to make something a downloadable link from either an email or also from the website. Okay, so have a very wonderful day. Thanks for listening.